I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices so pairing goes smoothly. First, make sure your Venue SX firmware is current and that Android Auto Wireless is enabled on the head unit. This allows Wi-Fi Direct. Next, on your phone, turn on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location, because Android Auto uses Bluetooth to initiate and Wi-Fi Direct to stream. Once done, open the Android Auto app, accept all permissions, and set the phone to be discoverable so the head unit can find it. You now perform the pairing sequence that establishes the secure connection. From the Venue SX main screen, choose Android Auto, then Wireless Android Auto, and start pairing. The head unit will broadcast. Next, your phone will show a pairing request, verify the numeric code matches, then permit Bluetooth pairing and Wi-Fi Direct connection so data can flow. Make sure you also allow notifications and media access. After a short wait, check the head unit shows Android Auto connected and audio routes to the car. You finish by finalizing settings and knowing one key fix if things go wrong. With Android Auto connected, set it as the default media/navigation source and enable your voice assistant for hands-free control. That makes future connections automatic. If connection fails, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the phone, then reboot both phone and Venue SX. This clears transient issues. If problems persist, remove old pairings or perform a head unit firmware refresh, then repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.